So this is the Pixel 6 Pro, this is the Pixel 7 Pro, and this is the Pixel 8 Pro. 3 years of Pixel Pro, and I want to just kind of bring them together in this video and share my thoughts about all three, what has changed in the last 3 years, and answer the question, should you upgrade or should you pick up the Pixel 8 Pro? Should you upgrade if you have the Pixel 6 Pro? There's a lot of things going on with these three devices, with 3 generation of Pixel Pros, because this right here cemented Pixel DNA. Because look at it, it's definitely evolved and grown, and we got a much more refined Pixel with the Pixel 8 Pro. And I want to start off things with design. With this design, they all share the same DNA, and that's very visible with the camera visor. And it evolved through every single generation. Just look at the visors themselves. Like you can see this one right here with the Pixel 8 Pro, all of the camera modules are in just one black bar. The Pixel 7 Pro, they were separate. And the Pixel 6 Pro, it was all just one big black camera visor. And they went ahead and revised it and improved on every single year. And now this is what we get. And with the Pixel 8 Pro, they added a temperature sensor right over here. So they're definitely making more improvements. Another thing with the improvements here, from the 7 to the 8 Pro especially, is the matte satin finish with the Pixel 8 Pro. Many consumers were asking for this, and we finally got it. Now you also can see with the Pixel 6 Pro and going to the Pixel 8 Pro, it's definitely been rounded out with each generation. And the Pixel 8 Pro definitely feels much more comfortable to hold in the hand. And that's actually going to bring me to the front of each device. Starting off with Pixel 6 Pro. This is a super clean, I still love the look and feel of the Pixel 6 Pro. Still feels super elegant and beautiful to hold. And then Pixel 7 Pro definitely made some refinements. And then Pixel 8 Pro made even more refinements that many consumers were asking for. And that's with display. The display on the Pixel 6 Pro was definitely very curved, and it gave that really elegant look. But some just didn't really seem to like it too much, and it would get in the way of accidental touches for some. Not for every single consumer, but for some it would get in the way. And with Pixel 7 Pro, they kind of shrunk or reduced the amount of curve on the display. And with Pixel 8 Pro, they just got rid of the curve completely on the display, and now it's a fully flat display. And let me tell you this, all of the displays on each generation, they're really great displays. And they're great for showcasing my latest wallpaper pack, which is a sponsor of today's video, Vortex. And I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. And you can definitely check out my other wallpaper packs that I'm really super happy with and I use as well. They really do go a long way, and they really do help out the channel a lot. So definitely be sure to check it out. Vortex, again, link in the description down below. But with Pixel 7 to 8 Pro was the biggest leap. Yeah, you're getting a flat display, you're getting 120 hertz, but you're also getting like super duper like brightness, like max 2400 nits of peak brightness. Granted, that's going to be like if you're under direct sunlight, then yeah, you're going to be getting that amount of brightness. Let's go ahead and bring that brightness down just a little bit. 2400 nits. Yeah, the OnePlus Open beats that with like 2800 nits, but come on, like you're not always under direct sunlight. But there's definitely a huge upgrade with display quality, and it's definitely visible, much more visible outdoors, and you can tell from iteration to iteration. But honestly, I love the Pixel design. They've done a great job, and I can't wait to see what comes next with Pixel 8 Pro. Now, if you have the Pixel 7 Pro or the Pixel 6 Pro even, is it worth upgrading just because of these design changes? No, it's not. Heading into performance, this is where things start to change with these. Day-to-day use has been very good on all three, even from day one. Now, I've come into some bugs and issues here and there with Pixel 6 Pro, and like, because I've had it for 2 years now, but it's still been great. And each of these models rock 12 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. Now, Pixel 6 Pro was the first to come out with Tensor G chipsets. Tensor G1, G2, and G3, with the 8 Pro having the latest G3. Now, these aren't the most powerful chipsets. Google knows that, but they work much better with their software and with AI than any other device pretty much does with their chipsets and whatnot. So day-to-day use has been great for both. So if you have Pixel 6 Pro, is it still worth upgrading to the Pixel 8 Pro because of Tensor G3? Probably not. It's definitely not going to be worth the upgrade. And Pixel 7 Pro is like the middle guy. Hey, I'm a year old, like still no need to upgrade. I think we should wait for the Pixel 9 Pro and see what happens. And if there's a significant upgrades from 7 Pro to 9 Pro or 6 to 9, then yeah, then we can come back and kind of discuss if it's worth the upgrades. But from a performance aspect, it's not worth upgrading your Pixel 6 or 7 Pro because they all still get the job done really well. And that's going to bring me into the cameras for both of these, or for both of these, as in all three of these devices. And here's the thing, Pixel 6 Pro put in all new sensors, and it was good quality. It was very great quality, and they brought like their night sight was great, their magic eraser, which I absolutely loved on the Pixel 6 Pro, and it's evolved. There's like so many new AI camera features on the Pixel 8 Pro, but they kind of had to do like a reset because they use the same sensor with their past Pixel devices for so long that they were able to tune it with the software. This one, whole new camera hardware, so it took them a year and they got better with the Pixel 7 Pro. The Pixel 8 Pro, their camera quality, especially for still photos, has been phenomenal. It's been great. Like if you're looking for a camera that you just want to pull out from your phone and just take a photo that you can rely on, this is going to be the one. It's obviously the better of the three. Not saying these aren't bad, like they're still Pixel cameras and they perform like a champ, but it's just not going to be like 2023 quality. Again, is it still worth the upgrade? Not for the camera. It's not going to be worth the upgrade. And we came this far, right? Like I'm going to talk about battery right now, but you're pretty much thinking, well, then is it worth upgrading at all? I'm going to answer that question towards the end of the video. Battery life for these three devices has obviously the 8 Pro is the best out of the three, and the upgrades with Tensor G3 definitely has helped with the efficiency. Like day one with my Pixel 8 Pro versus my day one Pixel 6 Pro, 8 Pro has been much, much better. But 2 years later, it still survives the day, but if like you're a heavy user like myself, you want to carry a charger with you, and charging speeds on none of these these Pixel devices don't have the fastest charging speed. They're not the greatest, so you do want to have that with you. So Pixel 6 Pro is definitely degraded over 2 years. It still performs decent, but like for me, I have to bring a charger with me. Pixel 7 Pro has been performing in the middle, and it makes sense, and Pixel 8 Pro has been performing the best. It's not the greatest, like Pixel 7 Pro, not the greatest, but better than its predecessor. Now, Pixel 8 Pro has a slightly larger battery at 5,085 milliamp hours, where both 6 and 7 Pro are capped at 5,000. And Google needs to put in some more effort into the battery department, in my opinion, specifically the charging speeds. Like, please add like 45 watts or like 67 watts. I'm not even asking for 100 watts, but max 30 watts is not fast charging. Yeah, they all three support wireless charging, but fast charging is also something that I personally ask for because it really does come in clutch, especially when you start getting used to using devices that have fast charging. And then you come back to devices that are slower, you do miss that fast charging. It does spoil you. So please, Google, bring some fast charging with the Pixel 9 Pro. Is it worth the upgrade because you're getting a little bit better battery life with the Pixel 8 Pro? No, it's not. And I just briefly want to talk about the pricing on these because, well, $899, $899, $999 starting prices when they came out. Now with Pixel 8 Pro, that's currently on sale, like it's the most current available one, $999. But I've seen this as of right now, at the time of this recording, the deals are gonna go live for like $799 for Pixel 8 Pro, like $200 off, and its smaller brother Pixel 8 for $549. It's an easy recommendation. Easy recommendation. For $799 for Pixel 8 Pro, it's a no-brainer. Now, obviously, these aren't on sale anymore. You can buy them like used or refurbished for much cheaper. But like, let's say you have a Pixel 6 Pro and you're just interested in upgrade, or you want to trade it in. Then I would start to recommend Pixel 8 Pro. If you're looking for trading it in or just selling your phone at a higher price than the trade-in and getting the Pixel 8 Pro on sale for like a $799 or maybe even $749 if anyone does sell for $749 if it goes like on a deal or something. I'm not entirely sure. Then I would start to suggest it, but at its given price of $999, which is $100 more expensive than when these two came out at $899, I wouldn't recommend to upgrade. I don't think it's necessary to upgrade to the Pixel 8 Pro. Obviously 7 Pro, I'm not even talking about it because it's really no need to upgrade either. And I think we're at a point where year-over-year upgrades have become less substantial and it isn't really worth the justification. That's why I'm telling you guys, maybe wait for Pixel 9 Pro and see what it has to offer, because at that point it's going to be 3 years and Android or Pixel 6 Pro came out with Android 12, 13, 14, but it already has gotten 2 years of software updates. It's going to get one more. We may not even see an Android like 16 on Pixel 6 Pro, so who knows? Like I said, we may not even see it. But all three devices, my final thoughts, all three devices, they're phenomenal phones, and I'm super happy that Google went with a soft reboot type of thing with the Pixel 6 series. And with Pixel 7, they brought the Pixel Watch, much anticipated Pixel Watch, and now we're on Pixel Watch Gen 2, which is a huge upgrade internal. External, I kind of wish like they do have upgrades with external, but I wish they had a larger size as well, because I don't know, this one's just a little bit too small for my wrist. But I hope I see that next year with Pixel Watch 3, maybe a Pixel Watch Pro or something like that. I hope so. But I'm happy with this like reboot with the Pixel 6 series and onwards. When you see these phones, you know that it's a Pixel device. You know that person is rocking a Pixel device. This right here is Google's brand identity. Good job, Google. I like this design. Keep it up. Pixel 8 Pro right here is the best of the best that Google has brought out to the market. Obviously, these were two when they came out, but right here, it's the best of the best that Google has brought out to the market. And it's one of the best devices that I can recommend in 2023. That being said though, if you have the Pixel 7 Pro or the Pixel 6 Pro, I still don't think it's necessary to upgrade. So there it is, 3 generations of Pixel Pro devices. Let me know if you own one of these devices. I just want to hear your thoughts and comments about these 3 devices. What do you think about the Pixel lineup? I think Google's doing a great job with their devices, with hardware and software, and also just marketing, because I've been seeing more and more Pixels each and every day out just in the public, just out in the blue. I've been seeing more and more people rocking Pixel, because like, who wouldn't want? I love the Pixel 8 Pro, and I'll keep rocking Google devices. Seriously, good job, Google, and hopefully you guys come out with a great Pixel Fold 2 for next year and fix some of the downsides that the original Pixel Fold had. Anyway, that's been it for me. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video, because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. And also, let me know if you want to see like a comparison with like more than just 3 generations of Pixel, but add like a Pixel 5, Pixel 4, and just go down the Pixel lineup. I would love to check out the original Pixel and like the Pixel 2, and also get my hands on the Pixel 5. So I'd like to hear your thoughts about that in the comments down below. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.